We've got our thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Well, in this match, like the last, we have the #1 ranked team here after Gabi and the Herd had a nice win, but less than that. So the #1 ranked team here is on the Blue Alliance. That is 45-64. That is Orange Chaos, Brewer, Maine, and their robot is named Sylvia. I have a cat named Sylvia. I'm wondering if they know each other. I doubt it. Orange Chaos picks up some algae. They're going to go right and head for the processor. Algae is becoming more important in the district championships. It's been much of an afterthought. So there's robots that are actually doing algae now, and Orange Chaos is one of them. They're with Long Metal Robotics. They had a successful autonomous right there, and they're loading up on the top level. That's worth 5 points for each coral. So is 1073, the Force team, working with them. Current score is 67-66. It's a 1-point game. This one's turning out really nice. On the other side, we have the Bucks Wrath, 63-29 for Red. They've had a terrific season, an outstanding robot, very pretty colors on it, showing its status when they're scoring, and just watch them dash back and forth. We're talking some fast cycle times. 10,066 over on the other side. They're a specialist in that level 1 that everybody else seems to ignore, so they're going to be valuable for this. And there they do. They score again on level 1, 1721. Or rather, 1721, Tidal Force with Not a Toaster. They're from Concord, New Hampshire. They're picking up some algae and they're depositing it in the other side. And looks like Bucks Wrath's choosing to stay on the top level, get those 5 points. But you know what? They have a team that's really good at scoring on that first level. They might want to think about getting that ranking point, which actually they currently have, because now the threshold is lowered just to 3 levels. 2 out of 3 done for the Blue Alliance. They could get that ranking point too with 47 seconds left. I'll say it's a high possibility. 159 to 136, 163 to 136, 163 to 146. About a 17-point lead for the Blue Alliance, and they're going to keep it up there. They're going to get that ranking point. They're going to try to. They're going to need 5 on each level to make it happen. One more score there. I think that might count as 5. Watch the score. Both of them have that ranking point with 20 seconds left. It's time to climb. A 19-point difference here. That's 2 climbs. Each climb is worth 12. Let's see how they manage to do that. 1721, getting ready to pull up on the red side. 1073 also. They're both up off the seabed floor. 6329, Bucks Wrath. They're up off the floor, trying to catch up to the Blue Alliance. Orange Chaos, they're going to reach up for the shallow cage, and they have a park. I think both teams are going to have that ranking point for the barge. 202 to 179. And they got 6 ranking points for that. There's about a 43-point difference for the coral, but Red Alliance had a better job with the algae.